Rational numbers as decimals. We know that any fraction having denominator as 10 or a power of 10 can be easily represented in decimal form. For example, 13 upon 100. Since the denominator is having two zeros, we would place the decimal before two digits in the numerator. So the decimal form is 0.13. Let's take one more example, 7 upon 1000. Since the denominator here has three zeros, we would place the decimal before three digits in the numerator. But since the numerator here has only one digit, we would take the other two digits as 0 and place the decimal before them. So the decimal form is 0.007. Next, let's learn how to convert rational numbers into decimals by long division method. Every rational number can be represented in the form of decimal by using long division method, and this representation can be either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Let us convert 5 upon 8 into its decimal form using long division method. Divide the numerator with the denominator. You get 5 as the remainder. Put a decimal in the quotient and bring down a 0. Now divide 50 by 8. Continue this process until you get 0 as the remainder. Hence, the decimal expansion of 5 upon 8 is 0.625, which is a terminating decimal because the division terminates after a specific point, and hence the decimal part here has finite number of decimal places. Let's take one more example and convert 25 upon 12 into its decimal form by dividing 25 by 12 as we did earlier. But in this case, you can see that the remainder 4 keeps on repeating again and again, and 3 in the quotient also keeps on repeating. When a digit goes on repeating endlessly, we place a bar over it. Hence, the decimal expansion of 25 upon 12 is 2.083 with a bar on top, which is a non-terminating decimal.